Hi guys, hope everyone is doing well. I know it has been a minute since the last time I posted on YouTube. I've just been busy with life, busy with my kids. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got engaged. So all great stuff, just busy, busy, busy. The reason for today's video is Allbirds reached out and asked if I would be interested in trying out their shoes, and the number one reason why I jumped at the opportunity was because my fiance is obsessed with Allbirds. He has, I don't even know how many pairs of Allbirds. He's like a walking advertisement for them. He loves them. He says they are the most comfortable shoes ever. So I'm really excited to try these out, and I will be unboxing with you guys. We'll be trying them out together for the first time, so I'm really excited. Let's get started. So y'all know that I love my Rothys, and I'm always raving about how fast Rothy's shipping is. And so I thought that I have to mention that these got here in a day. I do live in California. I don't know if it's different if you're in a different state, but these were shipped out yesterday and I have them in my hand today. And it's not just because they shipped it to me, because for, full transparency, they were shipped out for free. I did not pay for these shoes, but like I said, my fiance orders them all the time. Same thing, he gets them the next day. I don't know if that's a California thing, but I just thought, I always say that about Rothy's, so I have to say that about Allbirds as well. I did cut the tape before I started filming. If you've seen my videos in the past, you know that it ends up being a struggle if I don't cut the tape before I start filming. They did ask what kind of shoes I would like, and I had no idea that Allbirds makes running shoes. So when I found out that they make running shoes, I was like, yes, running shoes, please. So I let me show you the shoes first. Here they are. Does it say, break a sweat, not the planet? Very cool. Let me walk up. Of course, I will try them on. Okay, so I was just gonna say the reason why I really wanted running shoes was because I was doing weightlifting. I was working out with a bodybuilder, but I injured my shoulder a few months ago and I haven't been able to work out at all. And the only thing that my doctor is saying I can do is cardio. So these are really cool. These kind of remind me of like a futuristic sports car or something. These are like, aren't they nice? They're really soft, really soft. Excited to try these, you guys. And it says tread lighter. These are nice and they're really light. Okay, Allbirds, okay. I'm gonna try them on. Okay, you guys, these are very soft. Like, I don't even think you need socks to wear these. They are so soft and squishy and comfortable. I did get them true to size. My true size is 7.5. They do feel a little big, so I might have to size down to a 7, but they are, sorry, I'm like all over the place, but these are really squishy and springy and comfortable. I think I'm a fan. Okay, you guys, I think I understand why Allbirds fans are such diehard fans, because these are so soft and so comfortable. I almost feel like I'm more comfortable now that I have these on than when I was barefoot. And that feels like a very weird thing to say, but they're just so soft and comfortable. And my only complaint thus far is the sizing. I feel like I could have gone with a 7. I could have sized down half a size. I'm not super sure if it's worth it to send them back to size down if they're quite that big. They're a little bit just really wiggly in the toes. So I'm gonna wear them around the house a little bit and see how I feel about that. But outside of that, I think I'm an Allbirds fan, you guys. I'm excited about going for a run in them, about trying them out on the track. My son joined the cross country team. He just ran like 5.5 miles this morning. He runs 5 days a week. So I am excited about maybe not running 5.5 miles, but joining him a little bit, creating some, mother-son time. So yeah, if you guys want to try them out, there is a link in the description below that gets you a pair of free socks. So Allbirds is famous for their wool socks. And the only way you get this deal is with my link. So you just pick out the socks you want and they should be deducted at checkout. So cool little gift for you there. As always, I appreciate when you guys use my links, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.